Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Marvel Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Snap game on your device, and if you are opening it up for the first time, you might be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels or log into your account. If you haven't already logged in, after completing the basic tutorials, click on the gear icon at the top left corner, and then from the settings page, scroll a little bit down and you will see the sign in with Google option. You can tap on this button to log into the account that you wish to delete. Once you log into your account using your credentials, you can once again come back to the settings menu and then scroll all the way down and you will see the delete account button above the exit game option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be shown various different information about the conditions for deleting your account. You will also be told that there is a time period of 30 days within which you can log back into your account to cancel your deletion process. Tap on the checkbox which says that you have read and understood the deletion conditions. You can then tap on the next button, and after verifying your identity using your Google account or your password, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will be logged out. After you have been logged out, make sure not to log back into your account within the Marvel Snap game for another month, after which your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on the Marvel Snap game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.